Creating a snapshot is very easy. If you still find yourself a bit lost, you can review the previous lessons. When you are ready, you can pick up from here. Now it's time to compare snapshots, and this is what this whole training is all about. As you can see, I have two snapshots that I can select for our comparison. So I'm going to select the two snapshots, and I'm going to click on Snapshot Comparison. And so we wait until the system connects us to the database. The comparison screen allows us to see the number of records compared and updated. You can also enable your selection by operating unit, by application, if you have more than one application selected in your snapshot, and by form. A real-time view of the database changes will be shown. You can also view full audit information. So let's click one of the forms here. So I'm going to click on this one. As you can see, there are 79 records and there are 2 changes. So RAPIDSnapshot shows us a before and after view of the records, and it even highlights which columns were changed, and it also gives us audit trails such as who did the change and when the change was performed. So you can click on the next record, and you can see all the changes that were done. Again, all the changes are highlighted. So with snapshot comparison, you can download any or all changes into an Excel file, or you can generate a comparison report which will highlight deleted configurations, added configurations, or updated configurations. So let's try generating a comparison report. I'm going to click on Comparison Report. So RAPIDSnapshot processes our requests, and after a few seconds of processing, the system comes back with completion message, and it shows us a status at the top portion. Generation time, inventories, if there's any errors, you can find it here. And it also shows you the report location. Again, the report location is the default, and you can always change this. So let's click on the report location here. The system shows us all the reports that were generated, so let's click on Comparison Report. And again, just like what I have mentioned, the system will, or RAPIDSnapshot will provide us 3 reports, or 4 reports I should say. Added records, all comparison report, update comparison report. And for this particular training or example, we don't have any deleted records, so it doesn't show us any deleted comparison report. So let's click on the first one, Add Comparison Report. So RAPIDSnapshot shows us an Excel file that lists the inventory name or the file name, and it also shows us the number of records generated. So this is the added or the add comparison report. So these records have been added to the system since the first time we did a snapshot. I'm going to click on the first one, and it does show us all the, of course, all the columns are highlighted because this is new, and it shows us who did the update or who did the add, okay, and when the add happened. So now we're back to the comparison screen. Let's try downloading our changes. I'm going to click on Download Changes. So again, Rapid Snapshot processes our requests, and after a few seconds of processing, the system will come back and will give us the status. Again, at the top of the screen, you will find where you can find these downloads. We can click on that, or we can also save the grid to Excel, meaning save whatever you see here, the status of our download. You can save it to an Excel file. So let's click on the download folder, and let's view the download. So here's the downloaded file. I'm going to click on the downloaded file, and notice that the downloaded file is separated by file name or form name, where there was changes in data. Let's take a look at the very first one, invoice hold and release names. I'll double click on it, and the Excel spreadsheet shows, and the comparison report shows us what changed. So it only shows us the changes. As you can see, comparing snapshots is very straightforward and so easy within RAPIDSnapshot. Next, we will learn how to export our data and generate configuration reports called BR100.